Hey, hello, good morning. My name is Grace. I'm from the Philippines, but I'm currently here in Indonesia, Jakarta to be specific. I've been here for almost 3 years, 3 years in December, and I've been wanting to actually document and do like an online diary or vlog of my life here in Jakarta, but I haven't really gotten around doing it since I got here. I tried actually when I landed here in 2021. COVID was still not at its peak, but it was still there. So I had to go through quarantine, swab test, and all of that. So I attempted to document that, but then it got very busy. Of course, I was getting used to the new work, getting to know the people and immersing myself in the culture. And I also had to move several times. It's in the same apartment building because this one is very strategically located near our office. So that's why I chose not to move to any other like condo or apartment building. But I've moved 3 times in the last almost 3 years. This is my fourth apartment. And I think this one is just relatively bigger than the first three, and that's why maybe I was motivated to start documenting. And at the same time, I'm actually wanting to build my like plant corner in this new apartment. When I was in the Philippines during the height of COVID, like a lot of other people, I've um, I've gotten into plants, and but I had to leave all of that behind. Obviously, I cannot bring them here, but now that I'm in a bigger space, then I was able to get some. As you can see there, some plants. But I just got back from Jogjakarta. Also, it's like 7 hours train from Jakarta. So I've been moving, traveling between Jakarta and Jogjakarta for the past couple of months. And there are like big gardens where you can buy relatively cheaper, like big nice plants that are so much cheaper than here in Jakarta. Although I think in Jakarta there are probably some plant nurseries, but not really near where I'm at. And these ones that I've gotten, I think except for one, I ordered them through Shopee online. So obviously, you would not really get to choose, right? But in Jogja, last weekend, I went to this plant shop and I've gotten myself a lot of new plants for my plant corner. So that's what we will be doing today. So the first vlog, so to speak, would be going through how I built my plant corner and just checking if my plants are okay. I left Jogja last night around 9 p.m. and I got here in my apartment around 4-ish or maybe 4:30. But I did not have time to unbox. I slept first. So that's what we're doing now, but we will first be unboxing some of the planty things I ordered online that we will be using for the plant corner. Okay, so let me get them. Hey, here they are. This is not everything yet. I think I am still waiting for a couple more, but yeah, we can start unboxing these ones first. Okay, we're back. I just had I finished lunch already, and I finished doing the laundry. So we just have a couple more unboxing to do. And then we'll start with the cleanup and yeah, start with the cleanup basically. Right. Okay. So, but before that, I think I need to check because I thought I was supposed to have 3 items ready for pickup. But when I went down to get them, there's only 2. Actually, there's just 2. All right, the first one is this. So this is going to be the plant shelf. Actually, there's a story behind it. This was not supposed to be the shelf that I will be using for the plant corner. I ordered one when I was still in Jogjakarta last Tuesday, and it was supposed to arrive yesterday. But when I checked earlier in the morning, um, it's still in Semarang. I mean, it's in the sorting station, sorting office station, station in Semarang, and Semarang is like 10 hours drive from Jakarta. So I don't think it's gonna arrive anytime soon. I don't know what happened because I think I sort of, oh, I think I chose cargo because I thought that I had ample time, like a couple of days, and I did not think about potential delays and so on. Anyways, so because of that, I decided to order another one just earlier this morning. So that's the one of the good things here in Jakarta. You can there's actually an option to buy things online in Shopee and have it delivered like instant, same day or after a couple of hours. And actually this one is so much cheaper than the original shelf that I was planning to use. And this is like, the ladder type sort of shelving. Yeah. But then when I was thinking about, do I order another one? Because I really wanted to get this done this weekend. And also because I needed the plants from Georgia, like repotted and then arranged. So I was thinking, do I just wait for the other one or what? And then I realized when I was having my coffee earlier in the morning, so it arrived with this one, screws. I realized when I was having coffee in the morning in the kitchen that I could actually use some good a good shelves for my coffee corner and also at the other things in the kitchen. So I said, okay, when that one arrives, I can just use it in the kitchen instead. No harm done. And again, because this one is relatively cheaper, I think this is just around 1,000 pesos. 1,000 pesos, which is and 1,000, no, not 1,000 pesos. It's that's not cheap, but I mean this is around 50, 60,000, which is like less than 200 pesos, which is probably around $4. So that's a steal already. So I'll probably just do a time lapse of me doing this, and then let's just continue with the unboxing. But I think the downside to this is the actual space for the shelves is small, so I don't know how many actual plants I can put here, and I'm not sure I can figure out how this one works. How will it work? Okay, so update. I took a bath because we're going out, because my attempt to assemble the the plant shelf was not successful. It's a wooden plant shelf and it comes with a screw. However, The actual shelves did not have holes in it. So I tried to like do it manually. So it's screw, you attach it with screw, but the other side did not have holes in it. I tried to do it manually. I called my husband May in the Philippines and he told me to try to use a knife to drill some holes. It didn't work. So we're going out. We're gonna go to Ace Hardware to buy some wood driller to help with the process. That's just gonna make things a lot easier. So there, but until then, I'm waiting for Christina to join me. So we're just gonna unbox the plants first, the ones that I bought from Jogja, and hopefully they're all okay. And then I'm gonna water them. So by the time that I get back, they're all good. So I'm just gonna show you the current plant situation we have going here. Let's see. Okay, so those two big eco bags have plants that I bought from Jogja. Let's see. Okay, let's get to unboxing. Let me just get my scissors here. Okay, let's start with the first bag. Oh, okay, so this is how I wrap them. I just put tissue and scotch tape so that the soil and stones will not spill all over. So this is the first one. It's actually a santan flower, a mini santan, and she looks okay. She looks fine. That's good news. I'm just gonna unpack all of them first and show you all of them together after we're done. And then I'm gonna bring them to the bathroom for a quick shower. Let me just empty everything else on this table so we have enough space. Have this pot of enjoy. Oh my gosh, so nice. Okay, we have a couple of casualties. That's okay. It's to be expected. My Snow Queen. This one is I had it up this like wire. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. Okay. Yes. This Manjula Potos. I reused this pot actually. So I'm gonna see how it looks like trailing down. But I sort of like it like this. I will just put the support, the plant support maybe later also. Okay. We have a smaller enjoy. Our photos are like low light tolerant plants, so they're gonna be okay. She's looking good as well. Okay. Then next we have this single leaf Syngonium albo. I'm not sure. This is a new leaf. It's just unfurling. And the last one on this is this variegated burley marks. So, and it's quite lush. And it's very nice variegation here. Here. I got this one. Oh, this is a new leaf, I think. Ah, no, no, no. Is it? Yeah, it's a new leaf, but it's quite damaged. But there's another one here. Okay, new growth. It's not doing well. Looks they come in like this black plastic. But okay. Other than that, he's okay. And that's it. We're done with our first eco bag. This was the Euphorbia cacti. I got two. I'm giving one to Christina. It's just so her to love or like a unique cacti, a ghost cacti. I also got this pink Syngonium. She's okay. She's okay. Okay, next. It's a small snake plant. And this one I got for free from the plant stall. Okay, Hoya. So happy about this one. I forgot what it's called. And then the last one is this cactus. I think I want this in my workstation. That's why I bought it. Okay, so That's the plant in this smaller bag instead. This is an Aglonema Pink Roy. Big Roy. Okay. These are also low light tolerant plants, so I think it will survive. Okay. So that's one. Got no space here. This is Calathea. Of course, I forgot the name. TriStar, I think. I also got myself a pink princess. Still okay. Even without the pink, as long as there are like variegations like this, it's looks very beautiful already. Last one is this. I honestly don't know what this is. Oh my gosh! I'm so sorry. Oh no. So this was supposed to be a new leaf, but it was clearly damaged during the transport. Hmm. I'm sorry. I don't know where I'm gonna cut this one. Maybe here. I don't know where he's gonna grow, where his new growth point is gonna be. Maybe here. That's so sad. Anyway, this is him. I don't know what this is. I think this is a philodendron. Two more. These are oh, casualty. There are new leaves growing. Anyway, I think I'm gonna keep this one. I bought two. This is the Lucky Bamboo. I got two, one for Carlo and one for me. This one is like slanted already. Uh, move. Okay. All right. That's the last of it. Let's have a quick glimpse of everything. Okay, so that's all of them. I don't know how I can zoom out. No. Anyway, so that's all of the plants that I bought from Jogja. Yes. Okay. All right. Okay, I'm not sure. I thought I was filming, but apparently not. So I already have all these things out. So no, I was just saying that I just got back from Ace Hardware, went there to buy driller for the plant stand, but it was so expensive, out of budget, so I ended up buying an alternative instead, which is nails. Bought some nails. We have two options. This one is like 1 1 1/4 the size, the length, and this one is 2.5. Let's see what will work. So I got that. I also went there for the nails, but since we're already there, I got a couple of other things. I got a couple of this. This one is because of the light, it doesn't really show so much. It's like tan, and this one is white. And then we have the taller one. And then I bought a couple of glassware. This is supposed to be a candy jar, but it will serve as a cash pot. This one is also cute. It's a wooden lid. This is actually going to be good for terrarium, but probably not with all those details outside because you're not really going to see the plants inside. And then I bought candles and this cement pot, which was 50% off if you purchase at least 300,000 worth of anything. And then this one also, cement pot with the green details. Yeah. Okay, what else did we get? Oh, I also bought a candle holder for the candle. Bought a frame. And then this one, it's an artificial succulent display, but actually I bought this for this one,
because I want to put the cactus that I bought for Christina inside. So I'm just gonna use this one outside, and probably this is still gonna be a good display. So I'll find another jar maybe that I can use for the succulent display. And then this is also very cute. It's actually a bigger candy jar. It's just also gonna be a very nice kosh pot. But I think it's so big it might take a lot of space. But I don't know. I still bought it. Okay, let's see. Ah, it's so cute, right? Okay, and then the last one is this one. I'm gonna put this at the bottom layer of the tray for like soil and other things that is needed for the plants, like the neem spray and all of that good stuff. Okay, so it's already, I think, almost 6:30 p.m. here, and I want to be able to finish all the um, hammering that I need to do before it gets too late and I get complaints from neighbors. So we'll get right to it. I'm just gonna probably film this on I forgot what I'm about to say. I'm gonna do a time lapse of it, and hope that it turns out okay. So I'll keep you guys posted, and the next update will be if it works out. If it doesn't work out, I don't know. I'll keep you guys posted. Okay, it's done. It's not perfectly done, but it's done. Yeah, and it's way smaller than I hope it would be. So I'm not sure. I have some things I have in mind on how to arrange that corner there, because that's where it's supposed to be. But now I'm not sure anymore. We'll have to see. Okay, so I don't think that we can get that shelf done today. I'm just really thinking maybe that I would have to wait for the original one to arrive, hopefully tomorrow, because that other one is just way too small. But I'm also thinking I cannot use that for my coffee corner because it's not really that stable. So honestly, at this point, I'm not really sure. Nothing seems to be going according to plan at all. There's something in Ace that I saw earlier that might be on sale, but that is way beyond budget also already. So I'm not sure. I'm gonna, I don't know. So while thinking about it, I forgot to include in the plant unboxing earlier. I actually also have this very lush skin capsules that I got from Georgia, but I uprooted it because the pot was so big, and I'm thinking I will just move it to a self-watering plant as well, and some in leca. So that's what I'm gonna do for the rest of at least until dinner. They don't look very happy anymore, so I'm thinking I'm gonna prop and prop some of this, um, and then repot in the self-watering. I'm sorry, the light here is not that good. The light of my exhaust is also not working, so we'll see. I'll just do this, and then let's see what we can do next. Hey, So it's almost 12 midnight, and I decided to just wait for the original shelf that I ordered instead of pushing it to tonight. So I just wanted to show you all of the plants though and the current plant situation that we have. So I just placed them in this table in my hallway. I'm not sure if you can call it that, but yeah, here they are. So, and I have the Scindapsus that I've repotted here on top of the washer. And we'll go to this. I also have some that I've placed in leca. And then these were the cement pots. I've added some artificial succulent here, and then I actually taped some sphagnum moss because I use a styrofoam to put the artificial succulents. And so yeah, so it's not gonna show so much. And then this is the one that came like broken, so I used the glue gun. And then I tried painting some of the glue gun black like that, but I left this one just like this because it's like adding some character to it. And then some artificial flowers, plus I added some of my dried flowers from my journal stash. And then this propagation here. I contemplated painting this or adding some diamond paints, but I don't know, I was just too lazy. And then here's my artificial string of tears. I just placed it in this used coffee bottle. Yeah, that's where we are. We'll continue tomorrow. Thank you so much for today. Bye, everybody.